Hello guys, today I have a surprise. This is the new FMS Easy Flyer Park Flyer. It is a ready to fly version and it comes with floats, which mean floats as in it can take off of water. You can fly it on a lake or a pond. I bought this from Horizon Hobby. So it's going to be an open box. I've never had one of these airplanes, but I like the FMS model. So I have the FMS Cessna here, a really good park flyer foam. These are awesome models. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box up, see what we got here. Now I'm not cutting too deep, I'm just cutting the surface here of the tape. Nice. So they always box it. It comes in the original package, but they always box it in a cardboard box. I'll flip it around here. Simple assembly, floats, strong and durable. This has a flat bottom wing with a curved top, so it's not exactly semi-symmetrical like the wing on this. It's 2200 millimeter. I guess they measure it by millimeters and not inches. I think that means it's like, I think it's close to 50 inches wingspan. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, take it out of the box, and we'll continue to see what we have here. Alright, got it ready to take out of the box here. Box. Nice package. Very nice. Well, as you can see here, let's rub it on the floats. And then here's a picture of all what we have. Okay. So this is the wing. This is the landing gear. Landing gear is what holds the wheels. That's pretty nifty. Alrighty. Nice wing. Nice size. This is about the same size as the home built that I'm making. So it has some curvature to the front here, but pretty much flat bottom. You can see the contour of the wing. It's kind of curved here. So it can be maneuverable and it can be a stable flyer. Now on these planes, as you can see, the flat bottom is what gives it slow, stable flight. See the top, how it's curved? That's where you get your airflow. The more airflow over the top creates more lift, because the air flows faster over the top and slower over the bottom, which creates lift. And also this is for aerodynamics. That's a nice wing. And then we got our manual guide here, instruction manual. This is going to be so cool to fly it on the lake. Here are the floats. Oh, the floats are, I thought they were plastic, but the floats are styrofoam, and they also come with some type of a little rudder control. But they put a servo on the floats right here. See, this right here, it controls the floats like a boat, so you can actually steer it on the water. See, I always thought that maybe you could just steer it. Usually on planes, you can just steer it with the rudder itself. You know, with the rudder, you could steer it. But they also added a fin for the water, so you can steer it too a lot easier. That's one of the floats. Here's the other float on this side. And then here's the tail. So that's nice. And then we got our main plane here, the fuselage. Nice, nice, nice. Comes with that all installed. The spinner, see, that's already installed there. Tightened down. Not too bad of a prop. Looks like about a 9x7. That just snaps on there. Well, I'm just gonna leave it off for now. There's the ESC, which stands for electronic speed control, which controls, that little computer chip controls the motor speed. Here's your receiver. Well, it's got the same one as the Cessna, S4, 2.4 gigahertz, 6-channel. It's got everything already hooked up. Well, that's really nifty of them. And then they put the tail wheel servo in the rear here. So this is going to be an easy installation. Now, I know I have to flip this plane, this box over here to get to the radio. So here's the cord, the charger. There's the charger. What kind of battery did they give us? Oh, they gave us a smaller battery. This is only a 1300 milliamp Predator 11.1. So this is a good battery for a little flyer, but I went ahead and bought those extra ones because on this battery I'll get maybe 8 to 10 minute flight flying this at a normal speed. And this is what the Cessna came with. It came with the 2200. So if I fly the 2200 in it, it'll get like a 15 to 25 minute flight. So, and also the other batteries I bought. So this is the battery that's recommended. And these are tail spars, I believe. There's the other float, the charger. Flip it over. And we got our radio and landing gear on this side. So here is, wow, that's pretty sturdy too. Aluminum. Wheels are already installed. Really nice. And a lot easier to put together than that same type of transmitter as the Cessna transmitter. These are okay, but I don't. They look more childish and girly-ish. They look. You know, I would think that these would be like black in color and have an antenna. They look kind of generic in my opinion, but they do work. So that'll do it, guys. This is the whole airplane itself, and I'll be putting it together, and I'll do a first flight. Should be a fun flyer. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos and you want to see more airplanes, please like and subscribe. Share with your friends. If they like airplanes and want to see me fly and build them, this is a start. Thanks for watching.